Looking to upgrade your kitchen without a full remodel? These smart home gadgets do the trick. With just one plug, one button, or one swipe, your cooking routine transforms. From steamers to smart toasters, discover what's really worth it in 2025. Need a reliable slow cooker for family meals or gatherings? The CrockPot 6-quart cook and carry programmable slow cooker offers a generous capacity to serve 7 or more people. Its programmable digital timer allows you to set cooking times from 30 minutes up to 20 hours, ensuring your meals are ready when you are. The locking lid and sturdy handles make it easy to transport your dishes without spills, perfect for potlucks or parties. The removable oval stoneware and glass lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With high, low, and warm settings, you can cook a variety of dishes to perfection. Cook, carry, and serve with confidence, your dependable kitchen companion. Tired of messy juicing methods? The Viviverome 11-quart juice steamer makes it easy to extract fresh juice at home. Its 3-layer stainless steel construction steams fruits and veggies evenly, while the hose and clamp system channels juice straight into your container. The tempered glass lid lets you check progress without lifting, and the universal base works with most stovetops. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe pots. No noise, no mess, just pure homemade juice. Craving perfectly cooked rice without the hassle? The Systema microwave rice cooker delivers fluffy results in minutes. With a 2.6 liters capacity, it's ideal for small families or quick solo meals. Featuring easy lift tabs and a steam release vent, it ensures safe, splatter-free cooking. Made from BPA-free plastic, it's microwave, dishwasher, fridge, and freezer safe. Its unique lid locking system helps contain steam pressure for faster, more efficient cooking. You can also use it to prep quinoa, polenta, couscous, and more, great for versatile meals with minimal effort. The included rice pedal fits inside the container for compact storage and quick serving. Whether you're preparing lunch in a dorm, office, or home kitchen, this cooker simplifies every step. Quick, clean, and consistently delicious, your microwave's new best friend. Want sparkling water at home with zero effort? The SodaStream makes it easy and stylish. With its retro-inspired lever and sleek black finish, this machine delivers bubbles with a press. It includes CO, reusable bottles, and flavor drops, so you're ready to fizz right out of the box. No plugs, no waiting, just crisp, fresh soda water whenever you want it. More fizz, less waste, hydrate the modern way. Need a kitchen tool that can do it all? The National Presto 10-quart Kitchen Kettle XL MultiCooker is your one-pot powerhouse. With a generous 10-quart capacity, it's perfect for deep-frying crispy chicken, boiling pasta, steaming veggies, or slow-cooking hearty stews. Its PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and quick cleanup, while the Control Master heat system keeps your temperature steady from start to finish. The included multi-use basket is great for frying up to 10 cups of food or steaming large batches at once. The tempered glass lid lets you monitor progress without lifting, locking in heat and moisture. And when you're done, just remove the heat control and immerse the base. Cleaning takes seconds. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or prepping meals in advance, this multi-cooker gives you the space and flexibility to handle it all. One pot, endless possibilities, your all-in-one kitchen companion. Need a sleek solution for your wine collection? This 32-bottle cooler offers dual-zone temperature control, so reds and whites stay perfectly chilled. Digital touch controls and a UV-resistant glass door protect both flavor and presentation. Its whisper-quiet compressor and adjustable shelves make it ideal for kitchens, dining rooms, or home bars. Preserve your wine perfectly, taste the difference. Tired of juggling hot dishes during potlucks or road trips? The Presto Nomad 6-quart traveling slow cooker is designed for on-the-go convenience. Its picnic cooler-style design with a locking lid and swing-up handle ensures spill-free transport. The removable non-stick pot offers ample space for chillis, stews, or casseroles and cleans up effortlessly. An external dry erase panel lets you label dishes, adding a personal touch to gatherings. With adjustable settings low, high, and keep warm, you can cook meals to perfection and keep them at the ideal serving temperature. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or attending a family reunion, this slow cooker combines functionality with portability, making it a must-have for any event. Cook, carry, and serve wherever the road takes you. Want spicy and mild in the same meal? This 4 liters electric hot pot with a built-in divider lets you cook 2 broths at once. Ideal for cozy nights or family dinners, it heats fast and evenly with 100 W of power. Non-stick, easy to clean, and perfect for shabu shabu, noodles or soups. 2 tastes, 1 pot, share the flavor without compromise. Looking to simplify your cooking routine? The WaterQ 6-quart electric hot pot and MultiCooker offers versatility with its PFOA-free ceramic-coated pot, ensuring healthier meals and easy cleanup. With 3 adjustable power settings, 4-hour W, 1 2-hour W, and 1 6-hour W, you can simmer, suru, or boil with precision. The 60-minute timer adds convenience, while the tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your dishes effortlessly. It heats up quickly and distributes temperature evenly, reducing wait times and improving results. Whether you're cooking soups, noodles, hot pot, or even oatmeal, it handles it all with ease. Its wide surface area is great for family meals or shared dinners at the table. Its sleek design and compact size make it a perfect addition to any kitchen, catering to both everyday meals and special occasions. Cook smarter, not harder, your all-in-one kitchen solution. Craving authentic arepas without the hassle? The Holstein Housewares Arap Maker lets you cook 6 golden arepas at once, no oven or frying pan needed. Its non-stick plates ensure easy release and quick cleanup, even after sticky batters. Beyond arepas, it's ideal for pancakes, corn cakes, mini omelets, or even cookies. Whether you're making breakfast for the family or prepping snacks for the week, this versatile appliance handles it all. The compact design saves counter space, while the safety lock and anti-slip feet ensure secure operation. From Latin classics to sweet treats, homemade favorites made easy. Looking for a compact, no-fuss way to cook perfect rice? The Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker delivers fluffy grains every time with its intuitive one-touch operation. Its 1.2-quart capacity is ideal for singles, couples, or small kitchens, and the included stainless steel steamer tray lets you prepare veggies or proteins simultaneously. The ceramic non-stick in a pot ensures easy cleanup, while the auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind. Free from PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE, it promotes healthier cooking. Accessories include color-coded measuring cups, a serving spoon, and a recipe book with 60 dishes to inspire your meals. Whether you're meal prepping, reheating leftovers, or making a full dinner, it's more than just a rice cooker, it's a time-saving tool. Compact, smart, and ready to cook, your personal kitchen assistant. Looking for a healthier way to cook? The Ovent 2-tier electric food steamer offers a 5-quart capacity with 2 stackable, dishwasher-safe baskets, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Its 400W power ensures quick steaming, while the 60-minute timer and auto shut-off feature provide convenience and safety. The stainless steel base adds durability and a sleek look to your kitchen. It's ideal for vegetables, seafood, dumplings, and even eggs. Steam smarter, preserve nutrients. Hosting a potluck or craving comfort food? The CrockPot 2.5-quart casserole slow cooker brings convenience and style to your kitchen. Its oven-safe, removable stoneware is perfect for baking, serving, and storing your favorite dishes. With high, low, and warm settings, it ensures your meals are cooked to perfection and kept at the ideal temperature. The locking lid and cool touch handles make it easy to transport, while the dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup. Whether it's a family dinner or a festive gathering, this compact yet versatile slow cooker has you covered. Effortless cooking, delightful serving, your go-to for every occasion. Craving authentic Cantonese rice noodle rolls at home? The Fang double-layer rice noodle roll steamer brings the dim sum experience to your kitchen. Crafted from 300 for food-grade stainless steel, it ensures durability and even heat distribution across various stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. Its dual-layer design allows simultaneous steaming of multiple dishes, perfect for rice rolls, dumplings, seafood, or vegetables. The top-opening lid and ergonomic handles make it easy to monitor and handle your culinary creations. Compact yet versatile, this steamer is ideal for both traditional recipes and modern meals. Bring the taste of Hong Kong to your table. Steam fresh, it better. Hosting a party or craving a quick snack? The Nostalgia Extra Large Diner-style steamer brings the classic diner experience to your kitchen. With the ability to steam up to 20 hot dogs and warm 6 buns simultaneously, It's perfect for family gatherings, game days, or casual dinners. Its 3-position cooking dial high, warm, off ensures precise control, while the Easy View water level window lets you monitor water levels effortlessly. The bun warmer keeps your buns soft and ready, complementing the juicy hot dogs below. Beyond hot dogs, this versatile steamer can handle breakfast sausages, bratwursts, vegetables, fish, and more. The unit disassembles easily for quick cleanup, and the hidden cord storage keeps your countertop tidy. Bring the nostalgic charm and convenience of a diner to your home, delicious meals made easy. Tired of tossing out food that's spoiled too fast? This electric vacuum sealer kit keeps your pantry staples fresh for longer. Compatible with both wide and regular mouth mason jars, it creates an airtight seal in just 40 seconds, no manual pumping needed. It's cordless. One-touch operation makes it perfect for everyday use. Whether you're storing dried herbs, coffee, or leftovers, this compact tool extends shelf life while preserving flavor and texture. The kit includes 5 reusable lids for each jar size, so you're always ready to seal and save. Great for home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone looking to reduce waste. This sealer brings simplicity and freshness to your kitchen. Seal smarter, store longer freshness at the push of a button. Craving CIF-style waffles at home? The Crups 4-slice Belgian waffle maker delivers golden, fluffy waffles with deep pockets, perfect for your favorite toppings. Its 1200W heating system ensures quick and even cooking, while the steam release feature guarantees a crispy exterior and soft interior. Customize your breakfast with 5 adjustable browning levels, catering to every taste. The removable, non-stick die-cast plates make cleanup effortless. Just pop them in the dishwasher. Indicator lights and an audible ready beep take the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. Designed with a sleek stainless steel finish, this waffle maker adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Its compact design includes a cord wrap and handle lock for easy storage. Whether it's a lazy Sunday brunch or a quick weekday treat, this appliance makes waffle making a breeze, from batter to bliss-perfect waffles every time. Craving crispy, golden waffles at home? The Bella Classic rotating Belgian waffle maker delivers CAF quality results with ease. Its rotating function ensures even cooking, while the non-browning settings let you customize each waffle to your liking. The non-stick plates release waffles effortlessly and make cleanup a breeze. A removable drip tray catches excess batter, keeping your countertop clean. Cool touch handles provide safe operation, and the compact design with folding handle allows for easy storage. Whether it's a weekend brunch or a weekday treat, this waffle maker brings joy to your kitchen. Fresh, fluffy waffles made simple. Start your day the delicious way. Think steaming is slow? Think again. The biting heats up in just 60 seconds, letting you prepare healthy meals in record time. Its 5-quart capacity and stackable stainless steel trays make it perfect for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. With one-touch smart programs, it functions as a steamer, yogurt maker, and slow cooker all in one compact appliance. The cozy greenish design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the glass lid allows you to monitor your food without lifting it. The intuitive LED display makes operation simple, even for beginners. BPA-free materials ensure your meals stay clean and safe, while the sleek footprint fits easily on any countertop. Safety features like auto shut-off and low water detection give added peace of mind. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or whipping up a quick dinner, this steamer delivers convenience, flavor, and versatility. Fast, multifunctional, and stylish, a new kitchen essential. Hosting a party or family gathering, the Sanvi Triple Slow Cooker Buffet Server lets you serve 3 dishes simultaneously, each in its own 1.5-quart removable crock. With individual temperature controls high, low, and warm, you can keep appetizers, ES, and sides at their ideal temperatures. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any setting, while the integrated lid rests keep your serving area tidy. Cool touch handles ensure safe transport, and non-slip feet provide stability on your countertop. Whether it's chili, queso, or pulled pork, this buffet server makes entertaining effortless. Serve more, stress less, your ultimate party companion. Think steaming is slow and inconvenient? The Veriline 15QT electric food steamer changes that. With a powerful 1200W heating element, it generates steam in just 20 seconds, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously across its 3 stainless steel tiers. The intuitive digital touch panel offers 6 preset programs: mate, rice, seafood, veggies, sterilize, and keep warm, making meal preparation straightforward. The 24-hour delay timer and automatic keep warm function ensure your meals are ready when you are. Its water window makes refilling easy, and the dry boil protection keeps your kitchen safe. Crafted from food-grade materials, the steamer is both safe and easy to clean. The removable trays are dishwasher-friendly, saving you precious time after cooking. Whether you're steaming dumplings, prepping family meals, or batch cooking for the week, this compact yet powerful unit is ready for the job. Effortless, efficient, and elegant streamline your cooking experience. Tired of running out of bottles for your sparkling water? The Phillips 1-liter carbonating bottles twin pack ensures you always have a spare on hand. Designed specifically for Phillips sparkling water makers, these BPA-free PET bottles are built to last and easy to clean. Each bottle features a leak-proof seal that keeps carbonation locked in longer, so your drinks stay fresh and fizzy. The crystal clear body lets you monitor your beverage levels, while the 1-liter capacity is perfect for both single servings and sharing. Whether you're prepping sparkling lemonade for brunch or sipping soda during a workout, these bottles give you flexibility and convenience. They're lightweight, durable, and fit easily in your fridge door or gym bag. Plus, the minimalist design matches any modern kitchen setup. Stay refreshed with these sparkling water on demand, wherever you are. Tired of inconsistent rice results? The Cookum Micum rice cooker ensures perfect rice every time. With a 6-cup uncooked capacity, it's ideal for families, couples, or even meal prepping for the week. Its 12 menu options include white rice, brown rice, gaba rice, porridge, and even cake, giving you flexibility far beyond a basic rice maker. Equipped with fuzzy logic technology, it automatically adjusts time and temperature to deliver consistent, flavorful results with every use. The non-stick in a pot prevents sticking and burning, while the detachable in a lid allows for easy, thorough cleaning. A built-in timer and turbo cooking mode help you save time on busy days. The keep warm function maintains freshness for hours without overcooking. Designed in Korea, this stylish red and white cooker adds a modern touch to your kitchen while delivering reliable performance. Experience hassle-free cooking with precision, style, and versatility. Craving healthier meals without sacrificing flavor? The Cuisinart Sinem 100 CookFresh digital glass steamer offers a powerful steam system that delivers steam from the top down, ensuring quick and even cooking. With a spacious 5-liter glass pot, it's perfect for preparing family-sized portions of vegetables, seafood, poultry, and grains. The steamer features 5 pre-programmed food settings: seafood, poultry, grains, vegetables, and manual, making it versatile for various dishes. The LCD control panel with start or stop, pause, and reheat buttons, along with a 60-minute countdown timer, provides precise control over your cooking. Designed with convenience in mind, the dishwasher-safe glass pot and 1-liter removable water tank simplify cleanup. The stainless steel steaming tray and glass lid with a stainless steel rim add durability and style to your kitchen. Steam smarter, eat healthy, your kitchen's new essential. Craving healthier meals without sacrificing flavor? The Cuisinart Sinem 100 CookFresh digital glass steamer offers a powerful steam system that delivers steam from the top down, ensuring quick and even cooking. With a spacious 5-liter glass pot, it's perfect for preparing family-sized portions of vegetables, seafood, poultry, and grains. The steamer features 5 pre-programmed food settings: seafood, poultry, grains, vegetables, and manual, making it versatile for various dishes. The LCD control panel with start or stop, pause, and reheat buttons, along with a 60-minute countdown timer, provides precise control over your cooking. Designed with convenience in mind, the dishwasher-safe glass pot and 1-liter removable water tank simplify cleanup. The stainless steel steaming tray and glass lid with a stainless steel rim add durability and style to your kitchen.